ATIK Family's wild campervan is more than just a vehicle. It's a fully equipped home on wheels built for adventure, off-grid living, and complete freedom. This custom campervan blends rugged durability with high-tech comfort, making it an ideal companion for road trips, outdoor exploration, and even full-time van life. Let's start with the design. From the outside, this campervan stands out with its bold, adventure-ready look. With an elevated chassis, all-terrain tires, and reinforced body panels, it's designed to handle rough terrains while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Large tinted windows provide natural light and ventilation, while ensuring privacy, and the roof-mounted solar panels keep the van powered up wherever the journey leads. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how well space is utilized. The interior is a perfect balance of functionality and comfort. A fully equipped kitchenette features a compact yet powerful induction cooktop, a deep sink with a filtered water system, and a spacious fridge to store essentials for long trips. Soft, closed cabinets and hidden storage compartments maximize space without cluttering the living area. The seating and sleeping arrangements are designed for flexibility. The cozy lounge area transforms into a full-size bed, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep even in the most remote locations. High-quality insulation and a built-in climate control system keep the interior temperature just right, whether in the heat of the desert or the chill of the mountains. One of the most impressive features is the off-grid capability. The campervan runs on a powerful lithium battery system, charged by both the engine and solar panels. This setup allows for days, even weeks, of independent travel without needing to plug in. The onboard inverter provides enough power for laptops, appliances, and even a small entertainment system, making it ideal for digital nomads and long-term travelers. Water management is also a standout feature. The van is equipped with a freshwater tank and a gray water recycling system, reducing waste and extending usability between refills. A compact but efficient wet bath includes a hot water shower and a composting toilet, meaning there's no need to rely on campground facilities. Performance-wise, the ATIK Family's campervan is built on a powerful and reliable chassis, often based on a high-performance van model like a Mercedes Sprinter or a Ford Transit. With a turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, and a smooth suspension system, it's capable of handling highways, dirt roads, and even steep mountain passes with ease. Advanced driving features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system make it incredibly easy to maneuver, even for those new to campervans. Safety is a top priority with reinforced bodywork, an emergency GPS locator, and a fire suppression system, ensuring peace of mind on long journeys. Plus, smart home technology integrates seamlessly with the van, allowing control of lighting, climate, and security through a smartphone app. Ultimately, the ATIK Family's wild campervan isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's built for those who crave adventure, freedom, and self-sufficiency without sacrificing comfort. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a full-time road trip, this campervan redefines what it means to travel off the grid.